Hello everybody, welcome back to our 3 Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily change the saturation on your TCL 27G64. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to the settings right here. Now go to the menu and here scroll down until you guys see the color. Now here we have saturation and you guys can change it right here. We can add a lot of red for an example. We can change the green and then we can also change the blue. So this is how we can basically change the saturation settings. It's very easy. Now we just click on the button to confirm it. And now those settings are confirmed. There's a lot of red and not a lot of other colors. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.